Sickle cell anemia. It is genetic disorder characterized by presence of sickle hemoglobin, which is an inherent trait from parent. It is serious disorder with harmful clinical feature and decreased life expectancy. Pathogenesis. During deoxygenation, the RBC containing sickle hemoglobin change from biconcave disc shape and elongated sickle shape. This process is termed by sickling, which takes place within the intake red blood cell as well as in vitro free solution. Factor determining rate of sickling. Intracellular concentration of sickle hemoglobin, total hemoglobin concentration, extent of deoxygenation, acidosis and dehydration. Clinical feature. Abnormal clinical feature. It is sickle cell disease, usually being around 5 to 6 month age. Anemia. There is usually severe and chronic hemolytic anemia. To presence of HbA adult hemoglobin. Vaso-occlusive episodes. Patient with sickle cell disorder develop recurrent vaso-occlusive episode throughout their life due to obstruction to the capillary blood flow by the shape and sickle RBC. This vaso-obstruction affect the different organ and tissue leading to microinfarcts. They are particularly seen in giant abdomen, chest, etc. Microinfarct. They are commonly seen in spleen, kidney, bone marrow, lung, CNS, etc. Protection from malaria parasite. Since malaria parasite has its part of life cycle in human RBC, therefore malaria parasite in such sickle RBC cause rupture of RBC, making the plasmodium parasite unable to reproduce. Diagnosis. Blood picture show decreased total hemoglobin 6 to 8 gm per deciliters, increase reticulocyte count. Hemoglobin electrophoresis. Abnormal sickle hemoglobin can be detected by Hb electrophoresis according to their bonding pattern. Management. Folic acid supplementary daily from lifetime. From birth up to 5 years of age, dose of penicillin is given daily basis due to child immature immune system, which make them prone to various infections. Blood transfusion are very often required. Bone marrow transplantation has been effective in children, which is the only method of cure in sickle cell disease. Prevention. In case of family histories related to this disease, proper genetic counseling should be done in order to avoid such disease in future generation.